Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it'd be really fun to do a vlog styled video. I love watching these videos, so I thought it'd be fun to create one. So I just came back from the grocery store. We went to Target and Costco, and I thought it'd be fun to show you what we got. So let's get started. First thing we got is some chia seeds. These are awesome to put in smoothies or just to make chia pudding out of it. Then we got some Hass avocados, perfect for avocado toast or just to throw in a salad or whatever. So got these. Next thing we have is some Atlantic salmon, frozen salmon. This is perfect for when we just want something quick and easy, like they thaw really fast if you just, put them out for a few minutes. Okay, when I say few, I meant like 20-30 minutes. Just let it thaw and then you can cook it and it's muy delicioso. Next thing we got is actually some pot stickers, the chicken and vegetable ones. We wanted those just to have something easy on hand. Sometimes we don't really feel like cooking, so those are perfect if we ever are just hungry and need something really quickly. Next thing we have is Cetaphil. This is my daily moisturizer. I love this just for the face, overall, body and stuff. I like that it's not scented and that it's kind of light, and it does the job. So next thing, these are my favorite granola bars. These are Autumn's Gold granola bars, and these are actually really good ingredients wise. They just have almonds, pecans, maple syrup, organic honey, unsweetened coconut, pumpkin seeds, organic unrefined coconut oil, cinnamon, sea salt, and vanilla extract. So super healthy ingredients, and there's no really too processed stuff. So really enjoy these. These are really good snacks on the go. Next thing we have are some strawberries for, snacking. And then next thing we have are cage-free eggs. Costco's awesome because they come in a huge pack of eggs. We eat eggs pretty much every single day. We like making scrambled eggs. We like making omelets, just literally anything. My plan with these eggs is actually mini frittatas, just so that I can have them in the fridge, and that way in the morning I can just grab them, heat them up at work, and then be good to go and not have to think too much about that. And then next thing we have are some cantaloupes. Speaking of cantaloupes, we actually got a watermelon. Please ignore the mess back there. We haven't cleaned yet, which will be part of this video. But anyways, yeah, we have a watermelon. Last watermelon that we got was so good. It was super sweet and just delicious. It was crisp. Oh, so good. I love me a crisp, sweet watermelon. Next thing we got is organic blueberries, and I gotta go put this in the freezer. We got some thigh fillets. We got 2 packs of these. Next things we got are creamy peanut butter. This is the Kirkland brand. These have really good ingredients in them. I was reading it, and it's literally just dry roasted organic peanuts and sea salt. So awesome little jars. We go through peanut butter a lot as well. I love adding them to my smoothies. It gives it like a nice little peanutty flavor, I guess. Obviously. Okay, anyways, next thing we got are some dishwasher packs. Haven't tried this brand out, but it was $10, so we tried it. Also, we got this windshield wiper. Only got one because they didn't have my other size, but yeah, they were having a sale on these. So if you have Costco nearby and you need windshield wipers that just scratch me before the rainy season, go grab yourself a pair of windshield wipers. I think these were $6 each, so really good deal on that. Didn't show this because I didn't want to carry it, but we also got some jasmine rice from Costco, but love it that it comes in bulk because we like to eat rice. And the next items we got are actually from Target, so I'll show that really quick. First thing that I got is actually St. Ives Renewing Collagen and Elastin Body Lotion. Wow, that's a really... Okay, yeah, I got this. Smells so good. It smells different now. Okay, well, anyways, it smells good, so I wanted a new body lotion. Next thing I got is this Voluminous Primer / Base. This is what I put on before I apply my mascara, and it makes my lashes super duper long. I tried the CoverGirl one and I really did not like the wand and the formula of it because it was just super dry. This one is a little tackier, so it like stays on your lashes and like actually coats your lashes. The other one, I'm literally just combing my lashes and there's no product coming out. So didn't really like that one, so I got another one of these. Next few things that I got are again beauty related. I got some clear mascara. I use this to tame my brows. Yeah, super cheap, easy. And then I needed some more heat protectant. This is the one that I use. It's by Tresemme. Hasn't failed me yet, at least I don't think. And then the last thing I got from Target is these fuzzy socks by Warm Essentials. They're leg layering crew socks. But yeah, these are super comfy and cozy. And I think that is all of the stuff that I got. So yeah, now I get to put all of this stuff away. A little pro hack for y'all. If you ever need your avocados to ripe faster, put a banana next to them or some other fruit. I think apples work too. But the bananas release some kind of chemical, I believe, and I don't know what the chemical is, I'm sorry, but it will actually help ripen your other fruit up. So I like to put all of my fruits kind of by each other. That way it ripens at the same time or ripens a little faster. A little intermission. I got hungry and I started cooking some pot stickers, so yay. But anyways, I'm cooking these and I'm gonna put everything else away, so. Oh, that is not. That's what she said. Stupid joke.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town.
And just like that, the counters are clean somewhat and pot stickers are ready. Okay, tell me that I'm not alone in this, but does anybody else also not know what to put on their pot stickers, so you just do everything? What I do is I put a little sweet and chili sauce and then I add a little bit of sriracha and then I have soy sauce, I think, or I think it's soy sauce, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy this and we're gonna start cleaning after this. Alrighty, so just finished my pot stickers and now let's get cleaning. So I'm just gonna set this down and I guess y'all can watch me and I will do a cheeky little montage, I guess. So put you down here. Is it me or does anybody else also, I'm sure it can't just be me, but we have this island here and it's literally a mess all the time. Like, I feel like we just throw our crap on here and then every Sunday I'm just cleaning it off and it's just, I guess, part of the routine. But anyways, let's do this.
Seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high.
Awesome possum. So I just got the kitchen pretty much clean. Let me show you what it looks like. Still need to wipe this down, but it's clear. Over there is clear, aside from some of the water bottles, but yeah, looking good. So let's head on upstairs and see what we got. So I also just decorated for fall. Let me know if you guys want to see a video with me showing my fall decor. I love decorating for fall, so really excited about that. But yeah, anyways, what else do I need to do today? I need to do laundry, so let's go upstairs and let's do that really quick. Still need to decorate a lot in our bedroom, so don't judge. But we're going to strip the bed.
Ain't nobody like you. yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night.